Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Or if you're new here, I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn something really cool and useful in math. It's called an arithmetic sequence. Don't worry because I will explain it in a super simple way. So before we start, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a number pattern where each term increases or decreases by the same amount every time. That fixed number that you add or subtract each time is called the common difference, and in math, we usually call it as t. For example, number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So as you can see here that each number goes up by 3. So our common difference there is 3. And for the second example, 20, 15, 10, and 5, you can see that each number goes down by 5. So our common difference there is negative 5. Whether it goes up or down, as long as the change is the same every time, it's an arithmetic sequence. So, here's the formula na gagamitan natin kapag magsasolve tayo ng problems sa arithmetic sequence, where an is our nth term, a sub 1 is our first term, d is a common difference, and n is a term number. So now let's try to solve this problem. A plant grows 2 centimeters taller each day. It starts at 5 centimeters. How tall will it be after 7 days? But before we start, let's write down what we know or yung given natin. Yung a sub 1 natin is equals to 5 cm. Yung common difference is 2 cm. And yung n natin is 8. Kaya siya naging 8 kasi included na yung first term o yung may 5 centimeters. And now, yung gagamitin natin formula is yung an is equals to a sub 1 plus open and close parenthesis and minus 1 times d. So now, let's solve the expression an equals 5 plus open and close parenthesis 8 minus 1 times 2. First, we need to solve what's inside the parenthesis. 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. Now, the expression becomes an equals 5 plus 7 times 2. Next, we follow the order of operations, and that means multiplication comes before addition. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Now, we have an equals 5 plus 14. And finally, 5 plus 14 equals 19. And our answer here is an equals 19 centimeters. To wrap it all up, arithmetic sequences are patterns with the same change every time. Use this formula an is equals to a sub 1 plus open and close parenthesis n minus 1 times d. Then just substitute the numbers and solve step by step. And that's it. You did it. Super easy lang, right? If you enjoyed this video or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka on more math tips and lessons. Let me know in the comments kung may gusto pa kayong ipasolve or topic na gusto nyong i-explain ko. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Until next time, keep going, keep growing, and always believe in your brain power.